back to lesson 19 of HebrewLingo. Today is the beginning of our journey to chapter 2 of all of Hebrew and Duolingo. And today we're going to be talking about different sentence structures in Hebrew, which is something that's incredibly interesting about Hebrew. So in English, we have a little bit of a pattern when it comes to our sentences. A simple sentence in English would typically look like subject, verb, object, but in Hebrew you can actually mix it up. An example of this would be, I love chocolate. It is literally impossible to say chocolate, I love. And you certainly cannot say chocolate, love, I, because that would kind of insinuate something else. But guess what? In Hebrew, you can literally do both of those combinations and make it grammatically correct. Which sounds insane, but that is all possible because of a little object marker in Hebrew called et. It's spelled exactly like the pronoun at, but you can actually tell the difference because of context. So the way you use it is that you put it right in front of the object of the sentence. A common question that you may be thinking is, what is the difference between the object and the subject? So the subject is actually the main character of the sentence, even though you may not realize it while you're saying it. So in our example sentence, I love chocolate, I is the main character. Chocolate is there for the object of the sentence, the noun that is receiving the love from I. So chocolate would be the noun to have the et in front of it. So in Hebrew, this would be ani ohevet et ha-chocolate, which you guys don't actually know yet. Now you may be thinking, wait, I've already used verbs on objects before. How is that working? Well, et actually is used on objects that would have the in front of it. So I think I should have used the example, I love the chocolate, to better explain this. So here is the sentence structure that you're the most familiar with. We kind of started it off with this because it is the most similar to the English sentence structure. So it is the classic subject, verb, object. Ani ochel et halechem. But an alternate sentence structure could be subject, object, verb. The reason that this could totally work is because you actually take the et along with the object in order to better understand what's the object and what's the subject of the sentence. So the example would then turn into Ani et halechem ochel. Now I want to point out that this is kind of an awkward sentence structure. It's not used very often, but it is completely possible and available for you. Another alternate sentence structure is object, verb, subject, which is completely backwards. But it would go, et halechem ochel ani. Especially in this sentence, it wouldn't be used as often, but it's also, again, another sentence structure that is completely usable. If it makes you feel better, Hebrew typically does use kind of the English format, the one that you're used to. But in the situations that people will change it up, I wanted you guys to be aware that that's possible. And that is the end of today's lesson. I just kind of wanted to bring it up because Duolingo was starting to introduce these mixed sentence structures into all their examples. So it's just great to be aware of it. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. See you guys next time. Bye.